What's going on YouTube? We're back with another video. Today it's gonna be another cooking video. I'm gonna bake some chicken, y'all. I'm gonna make some chicken and some rice. I'm not gonna make the video. Maybe I'll make a separate video for the rice, but I'm not gonna make it in this video. So pretty much today I'm gonna get my seasonings ready. I'm gonna get ready to go. Okay, so okay. Remember, you always gotta use all-purpose. If I can find there it is. Some Slap Your Mama. So if you guys can get Slap Your Mama, that's like the best seasoning you guys can ever need. It goes with everything. It adds flavor to every single thing. It's like, you'll become a personal chef with this right here. Some dill. Pepper. Alright, and some basil. Some basil. And I'm ready. Alright. Some lemon right there. Sorry about the mess over here. I haven't had time to clean it up. So I'm gonna put everything down. I just did that because the skin was coming off already. So and the tiny wing. So with my hands on. What we're gonna do right now, the knife, stab all my pieces of chicken. See, because when you stab it, it allows the seasonings to soup, what's the word I'm looking for? To whatever, it helps the seasonings, put it that way. I can't think of the word right now. To seep, oh there it is, to seep through seasonings. I'm gonna use a little bit of this lemon. Put that right there. Where did I put the lemon? Right here. So a little bit of this limon right here. Okay. I like adding lemon because it gives it a better flavor, you know. Oh, I'm still using that. The better flavor. Okay. Perfect. Alright, so now that we got the lemon on there, we're going to start with the seasonings. Remember, YouTube, you always have to put the light color on first because, you know, it's harder to see. And you always want to put, if you're going to add anything like hot sauce or anything like that, before, and you want it to like, you're going to put on after you put the seasoning on, you shouldn't do that because when you put the seasonings on and you put the seasonings on and then you put the hot sauce and stuff, when you're cooking it, it's just gonna run off because it's wet over dry, because the seasonings are dry and not wet. So You always want to put the liquid on first, because like I just said. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Uh, hope you guys like it. It's pretty educational. If you're ready to learn how to cook, slap yo mama. It's better to have the two holes like that. There's only like two holes, so it's easier to come out. See how light it comes out? Because you have it all holes open, it comes out all hard and fast. And then when it comes out hard and fast like that, it's easier to over season, right? So I'm just gonna use some of this total seasonings for chicken and fish. Add some of that on there, like this, just like that, just like that. That looking good. Oh, I wish you guys can smell this, YouTube. I know I said in the last video too, but it's a bomb. It's so bomb. It just smells, the smell, the aroma of it. It smells so good. Just rub that in like that. Do like that. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I know, I'm sorry about this right here, this part right here. Okay, so once we got all that done, oh, I forgot the basil. My bad. I forgot the basil. Like I said, I don't know what to do. Put the basil in my hand, just like that. Grab it, crunch it up, and then start sprinkling it over. Because it's easy to crunch. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'll be right back. Must be dead. Okay. Well, I was gonna put some music on, but my other phone, my phone's probably dead by now. Flip it all over so you can do the same thing like you did the last side to this side. Lights on first. I'm not gonna speed this part up because, you know, I don't ever speed it up. I know I should. Whoop, I put this one over. Wait, no I didn't. My bad. Okay. Then I'm gonna use some of this right here. Okay, some of that. Now we're gonna use some of perfect. Now a little bit of dill weed. And a little bit of basil. And when you're baking this, I should have already did it. Okay, I did already. My bad. You want to preheat your oven to 350. That's the cooking temperature you use when you bake. My bad, bake. Okay. Okay, the rest goes in there. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more time what it looks like. I didn't add any pepper to either side, so I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Because pepper goes with everything. I even use pepper on ramen noodles from time to time, depending. My bad, YouTube. So, now that we got everything set up like that, I'm gonna put them all in here. Okay. And move this. You see, put it in the oven. Ooh, it's hot in there. Okay. Now you want to set your timer for 1 hour. Then start it. Alright. And once it's done, I'm gonna come back and show you. Alright. Until then, later. Yo, we're back, and it's been about an hour, maybe a little bit more. My timer died, so I can't really tell how long it's been in there, but it's supposed to be an hour. I think it's been an hour, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like now. Yep, it's done. Look, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed and learned a few things about cooking. Alright, peace.